Hello everyone, it is a very important and very good news for all of you, those who have already cleared the UGC NET exam, and if you have already done your PhD, then you can get the job through UGC website, UGC official website, UGC official job portal. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can apply, how to process, and what is the official notification about this. So everything I am going to show you. Please watch this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest notification about UGC NET job and the learning. So now see that here in this UGC website, this is the official website of UGC. Here if you are going to the notice, in this notice I am clicking on the read more. Here you can see just yesterday, that is 16/6/2021, there was a notification about academic job portal. So if you click on this, you can see in this notice it is saying that the University Grant Commission has created a academic job portal of in this UGCAC.in here to help the NET SET PhD qualified candidate to bring their academic profile to the attention of university and colleges. So it is a big opportunity. What you have to do, you can go to the academic portal of this website, and then you have to upload your resume and whatever details you have to upload, and it will ask you to registration, how to do the registration, what to do, that everything you can do. Then employer can search, so that other employer with the unlimited, with means other employer can post their job also and they can search you also. So it is just like the job portal where it is specifically for UGC NET, SET and PhD candidate. So why you are waiting, just go to the website, and how you can do that I am showing you this also. So it is given that UGCAC.in, you can see. So here also I see that in UGCAC.in, if you are we are here already, you have to click on this job. So if you click on this job, you can see there are the job option. Okay, from here you can get that there is the academics jobs for NET, PhD and qualified candidate. Click on here. If you are clicking on here, there you can see this academic job portal. Here you can register yourself. Try to register yourself here. After registering, you have to create your profile, then everyone can see, because already you have seen there that NET qualified candidate, they have already registered here for this, that there are, it is showing some candidates name, it is what the counts of the candidates, means they have already done, they have already registered themselves. So try to register yourself also, so that when the employer will search for you, they can search you. So here both options are available for the employer, for the candidate. So you have to do for the candidate. If you are the candidate, then you have to do the registration for the candidate. And those who are the colleges, universities, they are providing the job, they will register here as a employer and they will search you, so that from this link you can get the jobs. This is a good opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Do it now only. Create your profile here only. Upload your everything here, so that you can get a job. So thank you everyone. I think you already got the idea what you have to do and how you have to do. Just follow the process and share this video to all of your friends, so that everyone can get the chance. Thank you, and must subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest notification. Bye bye.